Welcome to Easy Electra. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to interlock two motors in a PLC using TIA portal with a ladder diagram and HMI. Let's dive right in. First, open the TIA portal software and create a new project. Give your project a name for easy identification. Once the project is created, add a new device by selecting the S7-1200 PLC. After adding the PLC, make sure to set up the security configuration to ensure proper operation and safety. Next, add a new HMI screen to the project and establish a connection between the HMI and the PLC by configuring the communication settings. Now go to the default tag table, where we'll create the necessary tags. Add tags for inputs like Start Motor 1, Stop Motor 1, Start Motor 2, and Stop Motor 2. For outputs, create tags for Motor 1 and Motor 2. With the tags created, navigate to the OB1 file, where we'll design the ladder logic. In Network 1, configure the logic for Motor 1 by adding a Start button, a Stop button, and the Motor 1 output, ensuring it latches properly. For Network 2, set up the logic for Motor 2, but include an interlocking mechanism. Add a normally closed NC switch between the Start button and Motor 2 and assign it the tag for Motor 1. This ensures that Motor 2 cannot start if Motor 1 is already running, achieving the interlock. Once the ladder diagram is complete, move to the HMI screen. Design the interface by adding buttons for Start and Stop for both motors. Assign the respective tags to each button. Customize the appearance by changing the button colors and adding events. Configure the Start buttons with Set bit on press and Reset bit on release, and the Stop buttons to stop the motors. Copy and adapt these settings for Motor 2. For indicators, add circles on the HMI screen to represent the motors. Use animations to change their colors based on the motor's status, toggling between two colors for on and off states. This visual feedback will make the HMI user-friendly. After designing the HMI, go back to the PLC program and start the simulation. Connect the server for the HMI simulation and verify that everything works. Test the functionality by pressing the start and stop buttons on the simulated HMI screen, observing the motor status indicators, and ensuring the interlock works as expected. With that, your program is ready. This approach demonstrates how to effectively interlock two motors in a PLC using TIA Portal, ensuring safety and precise control. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Electra for more tutorials on electrical projects and automation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.